testing the DJINEO with RC2 controller. In the park things are going well, and we start slowly. The initial flight is smooth. Gradually building my confidence as I take it higher to capture breathtaking views of the river, park, and surrounding houses. However, disaster strikes as I lose connection with the drone, causing it to go haywire. Despite trying to use the home button and no signal, it's of no use. The drone continues its erratic movements. I was thinking, is it going in the river, highway, road, or back garden? With the Find Me drone and GPS features, I managed to locate and retrieve it with only a few minor scratches, so all ends well.